girl. Not yet. We gotta sing to you and put candles on it. Don't put a candle on it. We have it for Grandpa.
Go.
He's taking too long, huh? You can stop filming until he gets here.
Huh?
You can stop. Sing.
You sing.
Happy birthday
To you, happy birthday.
to you. Happy
birthday, dear Katie.
Happy birthday to
you.
Slow down.
She's gonna freak out.
Yay!
Eat it.
Shove her face in it.
No, she won.
I'll do it.
You want to take those out of the way? Eat some yummy cake.
Don't never mess the whole thing up, are you?
She can't mess the whole thing up. Eat it. Ooh. Leave that there. Yummy. Mmm. She's like, I don't know what to do. Eat it. You gotta eat it. She just doesn't know where to start. Yeah.
Mama, now you can literally say you're now like chill.
Thank you. She's sharing. No, thank you. You eat it. Eat it. Look at her face. You gonna eat it? You just gonna share it?
Thank you. Mmm.
You're sharing it with everybody. You're so nice. Why don't you eat some? Why don't you eat it? Yum. Yum. Now eat it. You got to eat it.
She's getting more into it.
Eat it. Okay, look. Try. Here. Try a piece. Mmm, that's what that tastes like. Mmm. Is it good now? Is that good?
Mmm.
Mmm, that's good.
How are we going to eat that?
She's just digging in one spot. Did you stop filming?
Yeah.
After you said, how are you going to eat that? Get her now. Pictures. Take pictures while Dad's talking about shit in the background.
That's your cake. It's working.
I want a video and pictures. The pictures on
All you gotta do is turn it on and snap the picture. I fixed it.
She got a big hook at that. She got a icing.
She just likes the icing.
Here. You have your hand. Is she done?
Yeah. She didn't tear it up too bad, did she?
Just that one side.
I mean, you can just sit there and let her play on that side. We ain't gonna eat that much cake.
She likes it.
That's yours.
I'm trying to get. Okay.
Here. She says, give me my cake back.
Hold on, let me get us some cut and we can have fun. Huh? More?
That's all. Bro.
There you go.
She had a knife, too.
What do you want? What? The one in Middletown? Middletown? It's got some good sales on it.
Good? Good? Eat your cake.
It is good.
Wait, do you want any more? Or are we done? You alright?